Are you not tired of watching people make money on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube from the comfort of their home with just their smartphone? Yes, of course. I make money with just my smartphone from the comfort of my home. In fact, even when I'm sleeping, my business keeps running and I keep receiving credit alert even while I'm not there watching my business. If you're seeing this video, count yourself a lucky person. My name is Rachel Nabon. I'm a YouTuber, a content creator, a serial entrepreneur. I have active businesses running mostly online. And with the experience I've gathered so far and strategies I have learned and put in place in my businesses, I have put together a content creation and social media bootcamp where I will be teaching you content creation, basic video editing, graphic designs, social media management, and page optimization for visibility and sales. I'm also going to show you how to be consistent. Imagine being offline for 1 week, but your business is still running. Your posts are being updated daily. These and many more tips I'm going to show you in this social media and content creation bootcamp. If you're interested in increasing your social media presence and visibility, making money with your smartphone, and taking your content creation journey to the next level, then go ahead and click the link in the video or send a WhatsApp message to the number on your screen to access this life-changing opportunity. I can't wait to be your coach. See you in class.